I'm Ryan, I'm the cattle processing manager here at Rangers Valley Feedlot in Glenanus, Northern New South Wales. This is our main processing facility here at Rangers Valley. Every week we're running up to 1,250 to 2,000 head through depending on the week. With our previous matting we were finding we had a lot of slip and fall injuries in our processing shed. So we decided to get some of the new rubber, try it in our high pressure areas and on our corners as a trial, just to see how it went for a few months. That trial was really successful and we've not long completed changing all of the old rubber out for the brand new YoungStar rubber matting. The design of the YoungStar rubber matting is a significant improvement on any rubber we've had in the past. The old rubber we had installed we found just could not handle the amount of traffic and was peeling up and was wearing out, and installing the new rubber has significantly improved a lot of aspects in our induction shed. Not only on the slips front, but also from a cleanliness point of view. Hosing is a lot easier, it's a lot more comfortable for the cattle to walk and run on, and a safety point of view from our staff. Installing new rubber is a significant investment. We noticed with the amount of slip and fall injuries that we were having, it was actually costing us money and time for steers that had been injured in the processing shed. Over the course of the time and the lifespan of the rubber, it should easily pay for itself. We're looking into installing the YoungStar rubber matting into our hospital facilities as well as our dispatch yard as well, because overall it's made such a great improvement to our processing shed and we're just really happy with it.